Hello everyone, welcome to you in this video. Today we are going to learn how to create a cover letter and apply for multiple job posts in a quick time using AI. So this tutorial will be very helpful if you are very beginner and you have started your freelancing career and wanted to learn how to use AI for getting the freelancing job or win the freelancing job. Okay, so let's get started. Right now I am on my people per hours account and I wanted to apply on few job posts that is relevant with my skill, and I want to do this totally using AI, the writing professional perfect cover letter. So I want to show you how I can do this. So I'm going to ChatGPT. Then here I'm going to type my name. Okay, main skill or hard skill, WordPress, 10 years experience, Shopify, 6 years experience, YouTube channel link because it's work for me as a video portfolio links, this is my portfolio links. Okay, then I write job title, job description, client name. Okay, so I'm going to people per hours again. Then okay, now we're going to scroll down and looking for a job that is relevant our skill. So here is a job relevant with our skill. Okay, now we can fill the prompt, client name, add client name, add job title, then add description, and finally write the command. Add this line, write killer letter for me. Okay, so now we can easily make a professional killer cover letter. Okay, so in a quick time it's write a killer cover letter for me, but I want to add something, but I need some update. For example, I want to keep URL as URL. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now just copy and paste it in here. Add this title or item name, then expected budget. So simple. So I hope you understand how to create a killer cover letter using the job post information with ChatGPT and apply for a new job. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.